Hello, Junior Techies. How are you doing? Today, in this session, I'm going to talk about what is a network, what are the different types of computer networks, and I'm going to talk about two types of computer networks, PAN and okay, let's start. Hey, Luca, are you alright? Anything you want to talk about? Huh? I'm trying to take my photos out. I want that photos to transfer into my computer. So, how are you going to do it? What's your plan? Um, um, I don't have any idea. Well, do you have any idea, Ian? Absolutely, Luca. We will make a network. A network? What is it? Network. A network is a group of interconnected computers. You need at least two interconnected computers to make a network. A network facilitates the exchange of information or resources between different people and computers. Basically, network opens a passage to transfer information or resources from one place to another. Okay, back to the business. Let's make a simple network. Do you have a USB cable? No, man. I'm afraid I don't have. Okay, this cable is mine. You can use it for the moment. Hey, I'm the master USB cable. You can use me to set up a network around you. It is called Personal Area Network. Types of computer network is lookup. You can set up different types of computer networks based on the geographical area covered, or in another word, the scale of the network. PAN, Personal Area Network PAN. This is organized around you or around a person. You can set up like this way between devices such as phones, printers, laptops, personal digital assistants, PDAs, so on, that are in a close proximity. Remember, close proximity, such as within 10 meters to tell each other what to do. You can transfer photos files between these devices. Like this, can you see? I will explain more. Let us say you have two houses. The people in these two houses need to carry information or resources from one house to another house, or in other words, from one place to another place. So, how do you fix it? How do you do it? So, a bridge should be built up between these two houses. Now, people can easily communicate along this bridge. Just like that bridge, I make a passage to transfer your data. Locate the smaller end to your phone and the other larger end to your laptop. You can transfer the photos on your phone to the computer through me or through the cable. Woohoo! Wee! I'm moving! Woohoo! Ta-da! See? The information of your photos headed to the computer. Oh, cool. Is that easy forming a network? The C plan comes into my mind when I'm doing this. Woohoo! All right, I got to go now. Can I get my USB cable back? Oops, I'm not done yet, Anne. Oh, I forgot to tell you. You can set up wireless piano as well with Bluetooth. Do you know Bluetooth? I'm pretty sure you have heard about that. You are Junior Techies. Have you ever wondered how you tell your computer what to do with your wireless mouse? You have learned about wireless mouse earlier. So, do you ever wonder how those wireless mouses work? Or how you speak to the Mr. Computer or Mr. Computer speak to you through your headphone? Is it magic? No, it is thanks to Bluetooth. On the Bluetooth on your both devices and then easily you can transfer your photos. Brilliant, thank you. Hello, Zan. You saved my day. You're very welcome, Luca. Okay, my junior techies, now it's high time to me to go. In this session, I discuss about what's a pan. In the next session, I'm going to talk about some other network types. Till then, see you. Bye bye.